If you're running a WordPress website, making sure your PHP version is up to date isn't just a technical chore. It's one of the best ways to ensure your site stays fast, secure, and compatible with the latest plugins and themes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to check your current PHP version and upgrade it using your hosting provider. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to keep your WordPress site running smoothly and safely. Let's get started. The very first step is to check which PHP version your site is currently using. Think of this like checking the oil in your car before a road trip. You want to know where things stand before making any changes. To do this, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Tools. Then select Site Health. This is a super helpful area in WordPress, almost like a health checkup. Once you're there, look towards the top and click the Info tab. Now scroll down until you see the Server section. Here you'll find a line labeled PHP version. Take a careful look at that number. If it's lower than 8.3, it's definitely time to plan an update. Running older versions of PHP can slow down your site and make it vulnerable to security threats, which is why checking this is so important. Now you might be wondering if you can simply update PHP from inside WordPress. I get that question a lot, and I wish it was that easy. But updating PHP isn't something you can do from the WordPress dashboard itself. PHP is the engine under the hood that powers WordPress, and to update it, you'll need to access your hosting account settings. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. I'll walk you through and keep things simple. Every hosting provider manages PHP versions a little differently, but in general, the process looks like this. First, log in to the account where your website is hosted. If you're not sure who your host is, it's usually the company you pay for your domain and WordPress hosting package. Think Bluehost, SiteGround, GoDaddy, HostGator, or something similar. Once you're logged in, look for a section called Control Panel, cPanel, or Hosting Settings if you feel lost. Try using the search box in your dashboard or check for documentation specific to your host. Inside your hosting control panel, you're searching for an option that mentions PHP. It might be called PHP Version Manager. Select PHP version, or simply PHP Settings. Click into that, and you'll see a drop-down menu or a list of available PHP versions. You're looking for the latest stable version, ideally PHP 8.3 or higher. Select it and then hit Save or Apply. This part might take a few moments as the changes process. Just let it finish before you move on. A quick word of reassurance: updating your site's PHP usually doesn't break anything, especially if you're running recent themes and plugins. But occasionally, older plugins or custom code might not be compatible. So after you update, take a few moments to visit your site on the front end and check that everything looks normal. Click around. Test your contact forms, see that images load, things like that. If you do notice an issue, you can often switch back to the previous PHP version in your hosting settings, or reach out to your host support. They're usually great at helping with this kind of thing. And that's it. You've just upgraded your site's PHP, giving it better security, faster performance, and support for the latest features. Keep in mind, running a healthy modern site is all about small but important steps like this. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to help however I can. Remember to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.